India is a safe country, but in past few years, the crime rates related to women is increased up to 44%. India is a country where women are equally treated as queen and goddesses. In the past few years, it has been seen that no place is considered safe for women. We have seen cases which have occurred in places like street, public places, even in their own houses. With this initiative, our team, TechNet has a solution to provide a safe and healthy environment for women. Let's hear to a story of a young girl. There was a girl who worked in a company and she was very talented and goal oriented. As a woman, they tend to face several problems which are being faced by them, even in their professional areas. Here, her colleagues used to molest her. As every woman, she didn't want to say to her family to feel that she isn't safe, which made her not to increase this matter. Therefore, she shared this problem with her best friend. Her best friend advised her to use our app, Stri Raksha. She started using our app and learned a lot from self-defense videos. One day, she was also in a danger where her colleagues were trying to do wrong with her, and at that time, she had an idea to use our app, Stri Raksha. She shouted, "Help, help!" and the app recognized her voice and recorded that voice note and sent it to the emergency contacts. Till her parents came, she used self-defense techniques to save herself. Then and there, her parents came with few police officers and saved herself from the danger. So how all this happened and how our app did it? Our app has been given an emergency button or voice setup. So when the lady tapped or used the voice activation, at the same time one notification with live location has been directly transferred to nearest police station with the authentication of Google Maps database, which is fortunately updated with the contacts of stations too. The location will be accessed through GPS with Google Map, and the map will send the direct notification to police and her family so that police can pinpoint the exact location. But the self-defense is the most important than relying on any other. Therefore, with this motive, this app will contain many self-defense videos so that the lady can learn and save herself if no one comes to help her. With this, we will conclude that India is a land of warriors like Rani Lakshmi Bai, and it's our duty to keep the women safe in today's generation via technology so that today's woman can be a warrior for tomorrow's generation.